Imagine waking up to Etsy sales notifications each morning without spending hours creating products, researching keywords, or even designing listing photos. What if I told you there's a way to start and grow a profitable Etsy shop without doing all the hard work yourself? This is literally the easiest way to make money on Etsy. Whether you're a busy entrepreneur, a side hustler, or just someone who wants to make passive income without spending all day designing on Canva, you're in the right place. My friend over on Threads has created this awesome membership called the Etsy Done For You membership, and it makes selling digital products as easy as possible. Every month, you get 10 to 15 brand new PLR digital products that you can resell on Etsy. The SEO is all done for you. She gives you a good title, description, and tags for each product. And she also gives you the listing photos for each product. This means you can literally copy, paste, upload to Etsy, and start making money. This is seriously like the lazy girl method to making money online. Right now, she's only charging $30 a month for the membership, which is honestly underpriced based on all you are getting. So join now before she comes to her senses and raises the price. My friend really cares about her community and puts a lot of time into this membership. You can even request certain products for her to add or ask her to write the SEO for products you create yourself. The membership will be the first link down in the description. Now I'm going to just quickly show you some of the back end and show you how simple it is to get a product ready for your Etsy shop. The membership is hosted in School. On the community page, you can ask any questions you have. You can ask for feedback on your Etsy shop. To access the PLR products, you'll come to Classroom and then go to the current month. Here you can see all the different products for this month, and this is where she gives you the title that you can just copy and paste along with the description and the tags, making it super easy to list these quickly. Let's use these Valentine's Day love coupons as an example. So you just scroll down and click onto the Canva template link and open it up. When it comes to PLR products, I always recommend to make some changes. I don't care what anybody says. People will tell you that you can just get the PLR product and sell it as is. That's a really bad idea because you don't want to bring the exact same product to the marketplace as like 30 other people. Because at that point, the only way to really get the sale is to make your product the lowest price, and it becomes a race to the bottom. So to counteract that and not have to deal with that, make some changes to your PLR products so they look unique. And it really doesn't take too much to make it look different. Just change up some of the fonts and change up the colors so you have a unique product. Canva even makes it super easy to change fonts in the whole document at one time. Just click the text box and then come to whatever other font that you want. Let's go with this one. And down here you can click change all. Of course, make the necessary adjustments to make it look good. See how I just made some changes to this text box? If you want to make everything look like that quickly, you can come to copy style and just click, 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 click. Right click and then paste it onto the box that you want to change. And now what we're going to do is change the pink to a red background color. Again, just to make it look a little bit different. You can also use the copy style to quickly change the other coupon colors. So right click, hit copy style, and just tap the one that you want to change. And then also I would just change this off-white color to white so people don't have to use their ink. Now that you have the product ready, we'll download these as PNG files. Let's come back over to the membership and grab the listing photos for this product. You'll find the listing photos for all the products under Photos Master Link. Okay. Here are the ones for the love coupons. Now let's upload those PNG files. And now all you have to do is drag in the images of the coupons that you created. Let's change this to red since ours are red. Let's come down here, do the same thing. With these coupons, you can also give customers the template link so they can edit or make their own coupons. And these would be your listing photos. I did everything from making the changes to the product to making these listing photos in literally under 5 minutes. We're going to download these listing photos as PNG files. We also need the PDF file of the actual coupon, so let's just do that now. Let's download this as a PDF print. And now let's list it on Etsy. For the title, come back to the membership and go to the product, and you can just copy and paste in this title. For the listing photos, you're going to upload the listing photos that you created. I don't know, lately when I upload something, it's having this like black background and I'm really not sure why. So yeah, let's just ignore that for now. For the description, again, come back and copy this. Of course, feel free to make any changes that you want. And now let's just go get those tags. So honestly, you save a lot of time not having to write out the description or having to do keyword research to find the best tags. And you can just copy and paste in the tags and hit enter too, just like that. And now for the rest of the listing, for the price, I recommend that you go on Etsy and look at the other competing listings and see how much they're selling theirs for, and then price your product in the middle. So let's just say $4 for these. I put $9.99 for quantity because it's a digital product. For the category, you can start typing in your product and usually something will come up. So let's just say these are templates. You don't have to fill out the attributes. You can put Valentine's Day if you want to. Down here it says shipping, but that's because we didn't put that this is a digital product yet. So let's come back up here and hit add core details and hit digital file. You made it. It's a finished product and it was made 2025. And the last step here is to add the actual product. So let's come up here to where it says digital files, and you would just drop in the PDF of the love coupons. And that would be it. You'd be ready to publish your listing. I hope this showed you just how easy this membership makes it to get new products up in your Etsy shop super fast. Join the membership today and become another person who's making money selling digital products they didn't even have to create. Do me a huge favor and please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are into faceless ways to make money online. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.